Fashion design as a whole has taken off over the past couple of years, and a lot of fashion designers are coming up with amazing designs that are sure to wow their prospective clients. The competition in this industry is very high at the moment, so you need to always make sure to come with your A game if you are trying to attract new customers. In today's video, I'm also going to go ahead to zone in on another aspect of my favorite part of fashion designing, which is embellishment. How to transform a plain looking outfit to something phenomenal. I'm going to be talking about the best beads for luxury dress embellishments. We know that when it comes to embellishment, there are so many different things that you can put together in a very aesthetically pleasing way to create something amazing. However, in today's video, I'm going to be focusing on my own favorite types of beads for transforming outfits. I know that some of these beads might not necessarily be other people's cup of tea, but this is what I have found to be the types of beads that a lot of luxury brand owners incorporate into their style to create something phenomenal. If you want to hear what I have to say concerning this topic, please make sure to watch this video all the way through. Do not skip any part so you don't miss out on any of the types of beads or embellishment that I talk about in today's video. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by hitting on that subscribe button and also turn on your post notification so you'll be the first to know every single time I post a new video. Share this video with a friend, like the video, and don't hesitate to drop me your comments down in the comment section. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back. If this is your first time seeing me, hello, my name is Funmibi Olawore. I am a fashion entrepreneur, a fashion enthusiast based in Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria. On my channel, I talk all things fashion, all things dress embellishments, headgear embellishments, and all that jazz. I love to talk about embellishments in general. And this love for embellishments sparked from my love for sparkly things. I like things that look shimmery and glittery and just very attractive. And I decided to also share that passion with you guys on here on the channel. Without beating about the bush, let's get straight into my favorite types of beads for luxury dress embellishment. The first type of bead that I have here is broken glass beads, guys. I believe broken glass beads are in a hierarchy of their own. I don't know why it took me a long time to find my words. They are in a class of their own. Broken glass beads sparkle a lot. For those that don't know much about beads and different types of beads, I have a tutorial, or not tutorial, I have a video talking all things beads. I'm going to leave that video on the show notes. Feel free to watch it after watching this video. Just in case you don't know how to see all the things that I left on the show notes, scroll to the bottom of the description bar. You'll see 5 videos at the bottom. One of them will be these types of beads video that I just spoke about, so you can go watch it after watching this tutorial. So broken glass beads, we see a lot of our favorite fashion designers out here in Nigeria and across the globe incorporating this type of embellishment into their outfits, and the end result always looks phenomenal. One thing that I believe is like the selling point of broken glass beads is the sparkly nature that it has. Broken glass bead sparkles even without it. It's not necessarily a shiny type of bead, but when you incorporate it into any style, it just has a glittery effect to it, and it just takes the thing from looking basic to looking phenomenal. I use broken glass beads a lot on this channel, so I know you guys, this is not your first time of hearing it for people that have been following me for a long time, but for those that are new here, I'm going to leave a link on the screen. Like I said, go check out that video so you see what broken glass beads look like. I'm also going to leave some sample outfits that broken glass beads were used in embellishing them on the screen for you guys. Veekeejames uses broken glass beads a lot. Matopeda Atelier uses broken glass beads a lot. Marveeofficial uses it. LuxebyIre, who is a Nigerian fashion designer as well, that I've also taken a lot of interest into her work. She uses broken glass beads a lot. A lot of them use it because it gives the end result of the luxury outfit a very sparkly and shiny look. And for most of these luxury brand owners, they make a lot of bridal custom outfits, dresses for celebrants, and a lot of times as a bride or as a celebrant at an occasion, you want to stand out, right? You want to be the center of attention. So when you wear something very sparkly and just phenomenal, chances are people would not find it difficult to recognize you as the celebrant of the day. Even though nowadays in some parties, some guests dress better than the owner of the party, right? But we are not here to talk about that, right? So broken glass bead is something that you should totally incorporate into your work if you don't use it already. Another type of embellishment that is phenomenal is pipe beads. Pipe beads are also very similar to broken glass beads. For me personally, I feel like broken glass beads are the broken version of pipe beads. It's just like you get a pipe bead and break it into pieces. That's what you have that we call broken glass bead. Pipe beads as well are very sparkly, even though it's not necessarily my favorite type of bead. I don't know why I don't use it a lot. I think because for me it's a bit too long. That's probably why I don't like it. For me, I like the tiny details of your broken glass beads, but depending on what you're trying to create, right? I feel like with some of these beads, it all depends on what you're trying to create. I'm also going to leave samples of some outfits that they used pipe bead to embellish, and the end result, they also look phenomenal, no doubt, but I hardly ever talk about it on the channel. I think going forward, I'm going to do my best to also incorporate pipe bead more on the channel. The next type of bead that I have to mention in this video is, without any doubt, crystal beads. Crystal beads. If you're not using crystal beads in your embellishments and you are a fashion designer that does embellishments on outfits, you are sleeping on a bicycle, guys. You are sleeping on a major gem. Crystal beads are fantastic. They can take a very basic outfit from looking basic to looking absolutely phenomenal. Like the name goes, crystal beads is a type of bead that mimics the shape of a crystal and it sparkles a lot. If you see a dress that they use crystal beads to embellish, you would know. You cannot miss it. It's going to be sparkling from 100 miles away. Is going to get your attention. So it comes in different sizes. I've talked about it in a different video. Please go watch that types of beads video. It's a very important tutorial that you should not miss, especially if you are new to this whole world of embellishment and you want to get started to just improve your skill when it comes to embellishment. Go watch that video. So crystal beads come in different sizes. You have it ranging from, I think, 2mm size to about 10mm. You even have the teardrop type of crystal beads. Every single type of bead that I'm talking about, I have used it more than once on this channel. I've used broken glass beads, I've used pipe beads, I've used crystal beads in size 4, in size 6, in size 8, in the teardrop size. So go watch my beading tutorial playlist just to up your skill and know all of these things that I'm talking about. The next type of bead that you must own in your stash if you are trying to create phenomenal luxury outfits is sequins. And I know sequins is not a type of bead, but is a type of embellishment that you should have. If you guys can hear any noise, please, there's a lot of commotion going on upstairs in my apartment, so please ignore it. Sequins, you need it. You cannot do without sequins. If you're not using sequins, I don't know why are you not using it. Let me know down in the comment section. If you're not using sequins, let me know why you're not using it. Sequins are also very sparkly. They come in different shapes, different sizes, different designs. In my stones, gems and accessories video, which is another important video that you should watch if you've not watched it already on this channel, I talked extensively about sequins, their sizes, their types, their uses. Subscribe to this channel. That's the only thing I can tell you. This channel has a lot of gems. Like, I like to joke sometimes saying that my channel is like a university, but truly my channel is like a university of embellishments and crafts. Okay, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any insightful videos. So sequins, incorporate sequins if you don't already do it. Veekeejames uses sequins a lot on her styles. Emaginebybukola, Matopeda Atelier, all of these fashion designers use sequins a lot. Another item that you should also have if you don't already use it in your embellishment for your luxury designs is rose Montes. Some of us call it studs, some of us call it stone. Whatever it is that you call it, incorporate it into your style. If you don't know what rose Monte is, or stone is, or stud is, I think I have a tiny piece here. Hopefully my camera can pick it up. This right here is what we call stud. It's a type of crystal and it's phenomenal. Look how sparkly it is. Let me just block out all of these things right here. It's very tiny, so that's probably why my camera cannot pick it up, but I hope you all can see. Imagine putting this all over an outfit. Is going to look phenomenal. For every single accessory that I'm talking about, I'm going to leave sample designs that designers have incorporated some of these accessories into and how they look. These studs, they are pretty pricey, I know, but then again, remember, we are talking about luxury outfits. Luxury outfits are not cheap. I've talked about this in diverse videos. If you are trying to create a luxury brand and you are still afraid of charging your worth and putting a reasonable price on your outfits, I don't know what else you want me to say, guys. Don't be afraid to charge your worth. If you're spending so much money creating a phenomenal outfit for your clients and you're still not charging your clients as needed, you will just be running at a loss. And like I have been saying countless times on this channel, we rebuke poverty, we rebuke bankruptcy, we rebuke loss in our businesses, in our lives in general. Okay, so don't come and be saying, oh, all these things are too expensive, I cannot afford this. Let's remove every poverty mindset from our hearts. If you are trying to grow a strong luxury brand, you need to spend money. It's that money that you're spending that is going to bring in the money that you're trying to make off of this business. Okay, so it's expensive, but it's going to make all the difference in your design. Another thing that you need to have in your collection if you are trying to make luxury outfits that will stand out, this is not a bead, but it's a type of accessory. It's called Cupchain. Cupchain. I'm always surprised when I say Cupchain in different tutorials and people are like, what is Cupchain? You're not supposed to not know what Cupchain is. But if you don't know what Cupchain is, today deliverance has come. I have brought you knowledge. Cupchain is a very important accessory. And I have one right here beside me. I'm going to show us. This right here is what we call Cupchain. It typically comes in rows, okay? I did not make this row because I see questions from time to time from people saying, how did you make that row of stone? It's not a row of stone. It's not made. It is sold like this. This is what we call Cupchain because it's a chain. I don't know where the cup came from, but it's a chain and it's sold in rows, just like what we have right here on the screen. It comes in different colors, different metals. You have the gold version, we have the silver one, the bronze one. It comes in different ways. That's why I always say, as a fashion designer, you and sewing accessories vendors, you and fabric sellers, you people have to be in a love relationship. It's almost going to be like a marriage, but you people are not married, but you are very close to each other. You cannot be a serious fashion designer and you don't have any number of a fabric seller or number, or when I say number, I mean contact detail of a solid sewing accessories vendor. What are you doing? Guys, let's start making all these changes in our businesses. I know a lot of people feel like, oh, this making it big and making money, making meaningful money in fashion design is made for just a select few. Nobody made that rule. God has created this world for all of us to thrive in. It's the seriousness, the dedication, the diligence that you put into this work that will make all the difference for you, okay? So be up to date with all of these things that I've talked about. This is just to mention a few, okay? This is not the end all be all of luxury dress embellishment, but this is like a nice starting point. If you don't have crystal beads, walk into your market, buy crystal beads, buy broken glass beads, buy pipe beads, buy Cupchain, buy stud, rose Monte, whatever it is that you call it, buy appliques, okay? Different types of appliques. It is your ability to combine all of these things that will make all the difference. I have tutorials on here on how to use all of these things, how to tack appliques to dresses, how to bead dresses, how to bead fabric. You don't have an excuse, guys, okay? If you are just starting as well, my channel is the perfect spot for you to start from. Watch my different playlists, my beading tutorial playlist, my sewing tutorial playlist, my crafts headgear design playlist. Pick any one of these things that interests you and start something meaningful for yourself, okay? This is going to be all of it for today's video. I hope we all learned something. If there's another type of accessory or bead that I did not mention in this video that you think makes all the difference in making luxury outfits, please be sure to also continue the conversation down in the comment section. I enjoy reading from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're not subscribed, share this video with a fashion lover, a fashion designer that you know. And yeah, guys, feel free to ask a question down in the comment section. All right, friends, I can't wait to see you in another video very, very soon. Bye.